Hi, this is Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2023 Chrysler Pacifica that has been upfitted with a rear manual ramp. So let's have a look. Notice this is the ceramic gray, which I believe is a very pretty color. Come around here to the back. This is a manual ramp. So that hatch is electric. You can hit a button to open and close that. We've got latches here on each side. There is your ramp. If you click on the first link below this video is to this listing. We've got like 30 pictures of this thing. We'll have a picture with a tape measure, but I'm pretty sure this is 34 inches wide. The wheelchair roll right up here. We've got securements for, there's tie downs for 2 wheelchairs. So one right here, then another one up here. Now if this is too narrow for your chair to get into, you can unbolt either one of these chairs and just remove it so you can get a second wheelchair right up here. But nice heavy duty rubber floor. This ramp is super lightweight. I believe it's 7 pounds. So you can lift it up with one hand. And when this conversion's done, they cut this out. This is actually ceramic coated, so it's never going to rust. And then this lip here prevents that ramp from ever coming in if there was to be a rear end collision. So, see what I'm saying here? That lip is going to keep that from ever getting pushed in. And there is a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on this ramp. So to lower this hatch, double tap that button. And this also has power doors on both sides. Then this is climate control for the rear. These are your Q strength tie downs. We've got 4 of them in here. There's enough for 1 wheelchair. You just push this little red tab here, and this will come out, and that, and I'll pull it right in. Those just snap right into these little pucks here in the floor. And then the power door buttons right here on the sides, or you do it from the fob. See that little triangle there? That's a blind side indication system. So this has like a cross traffic alert. If someone's in your blind spot, that is going to light up. So inside here, a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. It is adjustable, telescopes and tilts. We've got auto windows, adjustable mirrors, auto headlights. So you change your gears, beverage holders, and a bunch of storage there. We've got USB ports, climate control. It says have a park assist here. It says the Uconnect 5, which is the big. It looks like it's probably about a 10-inch display. Reverse camera. This has heated seats, heated steering wheel. You can see that's high resolution. Got AM, FM, and Sirius satellite. And this also has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So you could pair your smartphone right to the van if you wanted to, and that would pull up, you could pull up your own navigation. So if you're using like Google Maps or something. And this is a brand new 2023, it has 18 miles on it. So again, I am Chad with Sherry Vans of Piqua, Ohio. If you got any questions on this van or the other vans in our inventory, please reach out to me, Chad the Van Man. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks, folks.